Hi guys, Sean here from Concept Chemicals and welcome to another Ask the Professor. And today's Ask the Professor is a request from a Norwegian company that has asked us if we can actually formulate and probably put into one of our ranges a product to match this particular one. So this particular customer obviously has sent this sample in for us to test. I don't really know an awful lot about it. I know that these guys actually make some very, very good products. So for us as a manufacturer, it's a good test. It's a good opportunity for us to formulate and pitch our wits against some of the market competition. So this particular customer is after, according to this, is in one simple step, a strong and long-lasting hydrophobic effect, which delivers a super slick wash, easy maintenance due to self-cleaning effect. So it's after the hydrophobic effect. From a cleaning perspective, this particular car that we're going to be testing on, this is Fred's shed. This is Fred's pride and joy. So what I've done with it, because as you can see, although it's somebody's pride and joy, it's not the best vehicle in the world. So it's not been decontaminated, it's not been machine polished. All it has had is a simple pre-wash using the Concept Typhoon pre-wash, which is a traffic film remover. It's aluminium safe, so on this particular vehicle of Fred's, there's no need to worry about damaging the trims because this is a perfectly safe product. So it's not an aggressive pre-wash, but it gives us enough from a cleaning perspective just to take the surface dirt off before we actually do the ceramic washes or the shampoos. This guy assures me that what this product does, it's kind of like a ceramic shampoo. He assures me that this is probably one of the best products in the marketplace. So this is the benchmark. We've obviously done a few modifications on formulations. So Nikki is around at the lab at the moment actually reformulating or making some final adjustments. And we're going to let you guys come in and see what the results are. So let's do it. So as we've already mentioned, we've actually done a pre-wash on Fred's shed, or Fred's car, Fred's pride and joy. We use the Typhoon, so basically for you guys to show you that we have not pre-treated any surfaces prior to applying the shampoos. It's basically at a pre-treatment with the Typhoon. So all I'm going to do for you guys, I'm actually going to throw a bucket of water on it just so you can actually see yourselves and gauge to make sure that there's no pre-treated surface areas before we carry out the test. So let's do it. Okay, so what we're going to do before we do anything, comes as a concentrate. So according to the instructions, it's 20 millilitres of product in a bucket of water. As we don't know what a bucket of water is, whether that's 5,000 millilitres, 10,000 millilitres, we've actually put 5 litres or 5,000 millilitres of water into both buckets. And then what we're going to do, because I'm joined now by Nicky, the chemist that's formulated this, so we can see his creation at work. We're going to put one capful in, we're going to test it on the panel and the glass. We'll pressure wash it down, then we'll apply a second capful until we get the dilution rates correct. Let's do it, let's see what we get, and hopefully will be quite close to this particular product, which everybody thinks is fantastic. So if we do, we're on to a winner. So let's do it. Right guys, so there you've got it. We've actually let you into a little bit of development work. The customer inquiry came in. It's a product that's obviously sought after and it's in demand. We put our formulation and it's albeit a raw formulation against what is considered to be one of the better products in the marketplace. Nikki now has gone back to the lab to actually do some further work on it, so we'll keep you updated with the progress of this, but at the moment, you've seen it tested, you've seen the dilution rate, so you can draw your own conclusions where we are at the minute, but like we said, it's a development product, so work in progress. So as soon as we finalise it, we'll do another video and bring you all up to speed. So if you like it, hit the like button. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel. We'll see you very, very soon for another Ask the Professor.